Yo, what's going on, good people? It's Sweezy2A. How you guys doing? I'm doing okay. I'm a little bit tired, but today is range day. I haven't been to the range in a minute. It's been a couple of months, probably 3 months. It's been since August, since the last time I went to the range. Today, I'm going to take the first shots of my 11.5-inch BCM AR-Pistol. So I'm very excited. I've invested a lot of money into this rifle. It's supposed to be like my fighting rifle and everything like that. So I'm gonna take it to the range, indoor range, sight it in at 25 yards. I wanted to do a 36-yard zero, but there's like a little template online that you can print out that'll help you sight in for 36 yards. And I don't have any printer paper. I don't have any ink. Well, I think I got paper, but I don't have ink. And my printer just like really weird. So I'm just gonna do a 25-yard zero with my iron sights and everything and try to get that sight in. I'm probably gonna have to get like a range instructor to help me out because I've never sighted in iron sights before, so maybe he can teach me a few things. I have sighted in like optics, I can do that, but I've never done iron sights at all. So it'll be a learning experience. And then I'm gonna shoot my 365 because I haven't shot that gun in some months as well, and that's my main carry gun. So yeah, I'm gonna have some fun. I probably won't do too much talking while I'm in there. There might be some people in there shooting, but you guys can just enjoy the footage if I don't get to really, you know, talk much in there, because I know it's gonna be noisy and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get my stuff packed up, show you guys everything that I'm bringing to the range here. So right now I'm finna lube her up. Got some Ballistol. I know this isn't the best, but I've seen Hickok 45 use this, and hey, if he uses it, it's gotta work, right? So about to lube her up, and I got about 4 magazines, maybe like 5. So I don't know how many rounds I'm gonna be putting through it, because I know all of these magazines aren't full, but that's all good. Got the 365 right here, so we're gonna be shooting this and the 365, and then maybe next time I go to the range I'll shoot my CZ Scorpion and my Glock. So yeah, I plan on having some fun today. I hope you guys enjoy. Yeah, let's just see how I really do hope she runs right. You got the Geisley trigger in there and everything, so I really hope that, you know, everything is, you know, good with like the buffer and everything like that. I just hope she runs really well. So yeah guys, I'll pick up this vlog video once I get to the range, get everything set up, and you guys can see me shoot. I'm probably not the best shot, but hey, you gotta start somewhere. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. All right, what's going on, guys? I'm at the range, Palmetto State Armory. Range instructors gave me a little thing right here to help me zero in this rifle here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it out there to 25 yards. And I'm gonna try to get this thing zeroed in and everything. And once I get it zeroed in, I'll pick this video back up, show you guys, and keep you guys updated on what's going on. Right now, got it to about 25 yards. So like I said, never adjusted, well, never sighted in iron sights before, so this is gonna be this should be fun. So let's get it. All right, after shooting rounds and rounds, I think I finally got it where I want it. Just get my camera to focus. I started off, I think this was my first shot. I missed a few. Then I ended up over here somehow. Ended up here, back down here, and then I just shot these 2 little groups right here. So I think it's sighted in, I guess. I'm gonna keep shooting. I'm gonna try to shoot standing up, let you guys see it and everything, and see if I'm still hitting in this general area. As long as it's in like this little circle, I'm perfectly fine with that. But yeah, let's do this shit. I will say the rifle is functioning just fine. I haven't really checked like the shell pattern to see like which way like my shells are like ejecting, but so far the rifle is functioning. Haven't really had any hiccups with it. I probably only got a few more rounds in this magazine, but we're gonna see we're gonna see where this hits. And give me 1 second. We're gonna see where this hits. And if it's hitting on target, I guess you could say it's sighted in. Which, I'm not the best shot, but I'm getting better. Alright, so these two were the ones that I shot while I was like in the chair. I just shot these two, this one, no, this one, and then this one standing up. So, I mean, you know, I'm not really the best with iron sights. That's why I'm trying to learn and get better with these iron sights. I got the Chevron on my front sight post, so I kind of got to get used to this. I think I did pull those shots a little bit, but we're gonna keep trying to see where we hit. Oh, safe. Oh baby, yes, yes, yes. Look at this shit. Look at that. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. I forgot how many shots I shot, but I know that all those shots landed right here within that circle. So I guess you could say I got this rifle, AR-Pistol, sighted in. Pretty fun. Like, it's a learning experience. I'm glad I got it sighted in to about where I wanted. Next time I'm definitely gonna try the 36 yard zero, but for now I'm just stick with the 25. But yeah, let's keep shooting. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set up another target. I'm gonna keep this for reference, future references. So I'm gonna go ahead and hang up my other target, and it's like a submarine type thing, so you guys can see that. And yeah, gonna have some fun. Here she goes. This is actually kind of like a little game that you can play like with friends, so you can like sink submarines. You guys might remember that the childhood little game with like submarines, and you kind of like gotta like guess like with the coordinates, and I don't know. But I'm gonna go ahead and hang this up right quick and then see if I can hit these targets. Will say this gun does create a fireball. it definitely creates a fireball. I don't even think my full 16-inch rifle does that. I don't remember it. So I'm gonna bring these targets in. Put this target in, and let's see where we hit. Okay. So it was the very first shot that I fired. I was just, I don't know, I really didn't care about that one. But I was aiming here, at least trying to aim here. I got 2 in the red, and the other 4, 5 are like out there. So I'm gonna try to take my time and focus them in the red, and try to be a little bit more precise. So let's see how that goes. I switched up the targets a little bit. I shot at the one to the left, the circle to the left, and then I moved over to the right. So I guess we'll see how that looks. Here she comes. Here she comes. Okay, so group's looking a little bit better. Got 2 right here. Pulled that one a little bit. That's not bad. I don't know how many inches that is. I guess it's like 1.5 inches, I guess. I don't know. Never been good at math, but and then I shot at this one, and these shots, I took my time with these, and those were actually pretty good. So I guess you could say this gun is sighted in. The gun is sighted in. I just got to work on my accuracy. But I'm gonna put this out to about maybe like 5 yards and have some fun. These aren't really the best glasses. Like, I can barely see, they fog up real easy. So, she's smoking. She is smoking. Let me show you guys. I was just like point shooting and everything. Not really going for accuracy. Just, putting my sights on the target and just shooting. Just pulling the trigger. Just having some fun. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and shoot some more for you guys. I don't know if that even got recorded, me shooting it and everything. I'm gonna try to get the muzzle. I want to try to get the muzzle in the frame so you guys can see the fireball that it's putting out. Even with the flash hider, it's still putting out a little bit of flash, I guess. I think this is just a standard A2 flash hider, something like that. So I'm gonna try to get that in for you guys and let you see what's going on.